Hello all and welcome to today's video. My name is John McFall and I want to welcome you to the McFallRI channel where I teach you how to make $25 to $30 an hour doing food delivery, and I also teach you how to make semi-passive income. In today's video, I want to talk to you about getting money to start your business. I want to talk to you about how you can make it so that you have that extra cash that you need to get something going, whether it be an online business, whether it be other businesses like I talk about retail arbitrage and reverse wholesale mortgaging, and maybe even investing money into starting an actual business out of your home. But I want to kind of break down to you 3 different ways that you can go about getting the money to start your business that you can do right now and that you can put into place so that you can have that extra cash that you need to put into your business. So before I get into the topic, I do want to remind you that down here in my description I have some great tools for you guys. The one I want to talk about today is TubeBuddy. If you have a YouTube channel or you're getting ready to start a YouTube channel, TubeBuddy is a great tool that you can use to get more likes, to get more views, and to get more subscribers. And I'm going to throw a quick video up here so you guys can check it out.
Whether you're looking to improve an existing YouTube channel or you're starting out fresh, TubeBuddy can help. This Google Chrome extension is a safe, convenient way to grow your following. SEO tools help you choose keywords to maximize visibility, while analytics give you precise insights into your channel's progress. You can edit thumbnails and descriptions en masse, or post videos to your Facebook without having to leave the site. It can even audit your content to help prevent devastating demonetization. You can try TubeBuddy for free, but some features require a monthly subscription. Click the link below to learn more.
I do want to let you know that if you get a paid version through the link in my description, I do get a commission for it. But the great thing about TubeBuddy is that you can use it for absolutely free. And as your channel grows, you can get bigger and better tools with the paid version. So grab a copy of it if you have, or you're getting ready to start a YouTube channel and you'd like a great tool to get it off the ground. And with that, let's get into the topic. So as I said, today I want to talk to you about a few different ways that you can get money to start your own business, to get some semi-passive income coming in, because I've heard a lot that people just say, I don't have the money to start a business, and if I don't have any money to get it going, there's really nothing that I can do. And there are ways that you can go about getting some money to get your business going that you can do right now in your life to get it off the ground. And the first thing I want to suggest to you is taking your side hustle, taking something like food delivery, going out there, and even if you have to put in a couple of extra hours every week or a few extra hours every week, go out there and earn that extra, $20 or $30 or $50 a week that you can stash away so that you can use it to invest in your business. If you're out here making $25 to $30 an hour doing food delivery, let's say, if you worked an extra couple of hours on top of what you already are, you could get some extra money to put into your business. So take a look at these different side hustles that are available, like the food delivery, to see if it might be something that you can use to get yourself some extra cash. And then if you stash that cash away and have it put away, once you get the amount that you need, you can get your business going off the ground. You've got to be really controlled with your money, and you've got to take that money and not do anything with it but save it for your business. But this is a great way and a great tool that you can use to get some extra cash to get your business going off of the ground. The second way that you can do this is quite simply this. If you go into your monthly expenses, if you take a look at the bills that you are currently paying, there are a lot of times that you might be able to find that you're paying too much for something, or you're paying for something that you don't use. So it's a good idea for you to go through the bills that you have that are coming out of your checking account that might not be necessary for you to have, because it could be costing you money that you don't need to spend. If you have services like, let's say Netflix or, Prime Video or other apps that are on your phone that are collecting money out of your checking account every month that you're not really using, shut that off and stop sending them money for services that you're not using, so that you're not having to spend that money every month and wasting it on something that you don't use. Another great thing you can do, and I'm going to talk about my Sprint phone bill. About a year ago, I went through my Sprint phone bill and I saved myself $85 a month. I have a total of 4 phones and 2 iPads on my account. And I went through my bill one day, and I realized that I was getting charged for things on my bill that I was not using and did not need. So I went through it and took a look at all of the charges that were on my Sprint bill, and I got a hold of Sprint and said, look, I'm not using this and this and this. I want you to take it off of my bill. And by doing that, it reduced my bill by about $85 a month, which was just money that I was wasting. And because I took it off, that money was mine instead of going to that company because I wasn't using it. So make sure that you take a look at things like your phone bill. Also take a look at your internet provider and see if they have charges on there that are not necessary. And take a look at other bills that you might have that might be charging you more than they should be, because they've tacked on things onto your bill that aren't really necessary, and it's just gravy money for those companies, because they throw things on your bill that you don't use but you're charged for them anyway. So make sure that you take a look at all your bills and see if there's some way that you can reduce it. So if you take a look at these bills, you can help reduce your monthly expenses, and then take that cash that you're saving and put it away into something that you can use to build semi-passive income. The third and the final way I want to talk to you about getting some cash when you don't have any to start your semi-passive income business is simply this. If you go through your house, you can find things that you don't use. You can find things that you don't need that you can actually sell online. You can go to places like eBay, or you can go onto Facebook Marketplace or McFallRI. You can find places that you can sell things that you don't use anymore and that you don't need, that somebody might find value in, and they might actually pay you cash for. There are so many different ways that you can sell things. Craigslist, and there's a lot of different places that you can find to go sell things that you have that you don't use anymore, that might give you that little boost of capital that you need to be able to put into your business. So make sure that if you have things sitting around the house, whether it's brand new stuff or stuff that you've used, if it's something that might be something of value, consider selling it online to somebody so that you can get rid of it and keep it from taking up space in your home, and at the same time giving you some cash that you can use to be able to put into your business. So this is a really great way for you to do it. As humans, we live in houses and apartments, and we accumulate stuff over the years, and eventually there's a lot of stuff that we don't use anymore, and those types of things are great things that you can use to make some extra cash to put in your pocket for your business. One of my greatest speakers that I like to listen to is Tony Robbins. I'm sure most of you have heard of him. He's been around for about 4 decades now. But one of the things that he taught me a long time ago is that people are not successful, and the reason that they're not successful is not because of the resources that they have. The reason that they're not successful is because of their resourcefulness. And what that means is you've got to take a look at all the different options that you have to do something, such as getting cash to start your business and to invest into it. And rather than just sitting back thinking that you have no way to do it, take a look at different things in your life that you can do so that you can can get that extra cash that you need, and be a little bit more resourceful in finding ways to get the money that you need to get your business off the ground. And if you do this, you'll have some extra cash to invest into your business so that you can start making money and getting your semi-passive income going. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video and got a lot out of it. There are ways that you can get the cash that you need if you don't have it to invest into your business. And sometimes it only takes a small amount to get you off the ground. So make sure you look at what you can in your life to get the extra cash that you need to dump into a business so you can start making money on the side. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I want to remind you, head down into my description, go grab a copy of TubeBuddy. I've got some other great tools down there. The other one I want to talk to you about today is Stash, and Stash is a great way to invest money if you don't have a lot and you're looking to get some truly passive income business going. I'll link a video I did about Stash down here in the description for you guys to go check it out. I'd like to also ask you to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. And with that, I want to say I hope that you are out there getting the money that you and your family deserve. And with that, I want to say thanks.